Hello student, today we start the first lesson of the mathematics part 2, that is similarity. First we know the meaning of similarity. In simple word, similarity means similar only. Similar means what? Which look alike but of not same size. For example, these are two dishes which look alike but one is of small size and the other one is of larger size. They look like but not of same size. Before going to study this lesson, we should have some previous knowledge, that is about what is mean by ratio or how to find out the ratio, and the next one is the area of triangle. What is the ratio which we earlier studied in the 9th standard in the lesson ratio and proportion. Ratio means the two numbers, for example, these are two numbers A and B. They are in proportion, that is, or they are in ratio means A by B. The division of two number is nothing but a ratio, which can be written like this, A as to B also. And the next important thing we know that what is the formula of area of the triangle, that is, all we know what is the formula of area of triangle, right? That is 1 by 2 into base into height. That is, consider on any triangle. For example, this is triangle PQR. Its base is QR and PT is the height. We generally give the notation, that is H for height and B for base. In short, we write it like this, 1 by 2 into B into H. Okay, this much knowledge is now sufficient to you to know the first point of this lesson, that is the ratio of area of two triangle. We move towards the first point. There are some properties about the ratio of area of two triangles. The first property, ratio of area of two triangles. Ratio of areas of two triangles. Let us suppose the two triangles. Triangle ABC. The next triangle we consider here we are calculating the ratio of area of two triangles. This is your second triangle PQR. AD is perpendicular to BC. That is, AD is the height of the first triangle and QS is perpendicular to PR. That is the height of the second triangle. Height of the first triangle is H1. Height of the second triangle is H2. The base of the first triangle is B1 and the base of the second triangle is B2. What we have to calculate, that is the ratio of areas of two triangle. So we write take the ratio area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. According to the formula of area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 base into height, that is 1 by 2 into the base of the first triangle is BC into its height is AD, and the base of, for second triangle 1 by 2 into the base of the second triangle is PR and its height is QS. In the ratio 1 by 2 get cancelled and we get BC, that is the base of first triangle into its height H1 and the base of second triangle B2 into its height H2. What we get finally, that is when we take the ratio of area of two triangle is nothing but it is the ratio of product of their corresponding height and base. What we get that hence the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their base and corresponding heights. Next, let us suppose there are two triangles but which have the same height. Two triangles of same height. Consider the same triangles. This is triangle ABC and the second triangle is PQR. Its height is AD and its height is PS. What we consider here, they are of same height means their height is same. Whatever it may be, the height is same but their bases are different. So what we get, let us calculate. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. Just now we studied that the ratio of area of two triangle is nothing but is equal to the ratio of their product of their bases and corresponding heights. So we can write it like this, that is BC into its height is H and QR into its height is also H. That is H get cancelled and we finally get that is B1 by B2. What we conclude here, if we take the ratio of area of the triangles which have the same height then their heights are same. As their heights are same, the ratio of area of these two triangles, if the heights are same, then that is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases only. And if suppose the case, the triangle of ratio of area of two triangles of same bases, if their bases are same, then what we Then what we get, let us see. Just draw the two triangles which have the same base but of different. Here it is the first one triangle ABC of the base B1 and height is H1, and the next triangle is the APB of height PQ. Here the two triangles, first one is the ABC of height CD and the second triangle APB with height PQ. Let us calculate, take the ratio of area of these two triangles of a same base, that is area of triangle ACB divided by, you can write ABC also, no problem about that, area of triangle APB. As these two triangles have a same base, that is AB, the base of the both of the triangle is same. Just I put here different mark on it to notice you, but their heights are different. Take the ratio, that is AB into H1 divided by AB into H2, that is AB get cancelled. What we find, that is H1 by H2, means if the bases of the two triangles are same, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. And there are some triangles which lies between the parallel lines which have the same base and same height. In that case, what happened? If we take the ratio of those triangles which have a same base and same height, means the area is same. Thanks. For the next concept, you must watch the next video.